In this video, I'll show you how to use 6 different applications that can each pay you up to $1,000 in a single day. You may download each of them on your smartphone to start making money right now from any location in the world. The basic idea is that you can earn more money by using more programs. Make sure to watch the full video through to the very end if you want to discover how to use all 6 of these money-making programs to earn your first $1,000 in a single day. This is just one app's payment history, but it shows how users from all over the world are using it to make actual cash withdrawals. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Watch the video right away. We'll start with Adwallet.com, which is the first application. You can get money using this software simply by watching movies and different advertising. As you can see, watching videos from different brands might earn you incentives. It only takes a few minutes for each engagement, and you might make up to $3. I've never used a tool that makes earning $3 for each movie you watch as simple as Adwallet does. You'll be compensated between 50 cents and $3 for each video interaction if you click on it and watch it. Additionally, you can recommend videos to others and get rewarded $1 per recommendation. This is simple. For instance, to start watching a video similar to this one, just click the play button. You can do this on a computer or a mobile device, and after the film is complete, you will receive payment in real money. Using the various payment methods that are offered internationally, people from many different nations are cashing out their money. Adwallet gave out more than $1 million in cash and other awards to users from all around the world in their first 12 months of operation. You can begin cashing out your earnings after you reach $10. You are paid in actual, hard currency, and there is no catch or gimmick. Without using a point system, they simply pay you in cash right away. If you merely want to create a free account, click the Sign Up button at the top. You can sign up for a free account by clicking the Sign Up Now button on this page if you want. 5-Minute Profit Pages is the name of the second program I want to demonstrate to you today. 5MinuteProfitPages.com. You may automatically earn $300 in commission each day by using this software. I adore this program since you can create automatic money pages with just a single button click and take care of all the selling thanks to its plug-and-play functionality. You won't need to have any technical knowledge, recommend, or sell to anyone, or engage in any sales activity. The entire process can be completed in just 2 easy steps. Here are a few results I've had from using 5-Minute Profit Pages. My username and earnings for today, yesterday, and the past 7 days are both visible at the top. I can accomplish results like this in only 2 simple steps. Before we can begin, you must access 5-Minute Profit Pages. After logging onto the app, all you have to do is finish step 1, which involves pasting your affiliate links into the software. To activate the system, just click Step 2. Step 3 will then let you receive your commission each day. I'm able to get results like this on this platform because Warrior Plus has so many different goods that you can promote and resell to make commissions. Consider a scenario in which they offer the expected average commission for a lengthy list of various products. All of these products are available for advertising, and I can earn commissions daily. I like 5-Minute Profit Pages since it only needs 2 basic actions to use it. You simply copy your affiliate links in step 1. For instance, if you want to advertise this product, click on this one to copy your affiliate link. Return to 5-Minute Profit Pages in step 2, paste your affiliate link into the system, and then click Activate System to start receiving commissions right away. By doing that, beginners can attain results comparable to this. Next, I'll show you Cash Karma, the third program I want to show you, cashkarma.com. Simply sign up and connect onto the app every day to receive free cash and gift cards from this website. Simply check in and log into your account is sufficient, and completing additional surveys will earn you greater rewards. I like that after you install the app, you'll automatically receive 300 points for free. which amounts to $3 in free money without having to do anything. This is one part of Cash Karma that I like. Once you've earned them, you may trade your Cash Karma points for PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards. On this app, you can complete a range of tasks to obtain a selection of badges. You may, for instance, finish deals, watch movies, pass along recommendations, or respond to brief surveys. I'll let you in a little secret. Over 60,000 people are already using AutoClicker according to a Google search for the term. With this Chrome plugin, you may quickly fill out a number of services. You can access this page, view the tutorial, and get a detailed explanation of how it works. You may use Cash Karma to automatically fill out several surveys while you watch this video without doing anything. As a result, by completing multiple surveys with advertisements and automatically accumulating points, you can convert those points into actual money. The fourth app is now up, SMSApp.com. With this free Android app, you may earn money online automatically by simply receiving an SMS from the system. It is available for Android smartphone download. With the help of this tool, you can make money online automatically and without spending any money up front. You can also earn 30% of your friends' profits when you refer them to this program. For instance, you could earn $30 just by recommending this individual, and they would give you 30% of their earnings, $100 in this example. Once more, you can just download the app by going to SMSApp.com. Each SMS message you receive will be compensated. One advantage is that you can accept the message and delete it later and still get paid. You don't need to interact with the message in any way. Click on anything or make a purchase. It's a really straightforward concept. As soon as you earn money, it will show up on your balance where you can instantly withdraw it using any of the many payment options available in your nation. More than 3 million text messages have already been sent, and from there, over 7 million euros have been delivered to everyone on the planet. Money SMS text message subscriptions are a terrific way to earn passive income without doing anything at all. AffiliateListBot.com is the name of this program. You can use this app to automatically earn affiliate network auto commissions of more than $576 every day. The affiliate programs for Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus are a few examples. Free traffic is 100% complete for your website and app, and you can collect 100% of the commission. This is really very beginner-friendly because the advertising is free and you don't need to have any followers or subscribers on social media. They'll help you promote different ClickBank's items so you can earn money online. As you can see, ClickBank Marketplace has a ton of fantastic things to promote. You can establish several websites with Affiliate List Bot on autopilot and start earning money from ClickBank. They will actively help you promote different products on our website, enabling you to continuously earn money without having to put any work. These are just a handful of the outcomes that this done-for-you technology has been able to provide on ClickBank. Users are having absurd success. The last advertisement is for the website GetPaid2.com, where you may make passive income online. On this website, you can carry out a number of additional simple tasks like playing games, watching films, and filling out surveys. Anyone from anywhere on the globe is welcome to register on this website. The system's basic premise is that you can earn points by completing various tasks on this website. By turning your points into cash at a rate of 5,000 points to $1, you can cash out your winnings. For instance, you can play games for free on this website if you so choose. The points you accumulate while playing the games will be provided to you and converted into actual cash. In addition to playing the games, you can complete other surveys. They provide you a collection of worthwhile surveys from numerous companies all in one location. To use these strategies and get money without doing anything else, you may simply do that and use an auto clicker, which will let you complete multiple surveys automatically. You can also take part in other promotions, watch different films, and see different adverts on this page. They'll compensate you for each click that you make. It's very simple. On this website, you can get money just by watching videos or other advertisements. If you wish to register for free right away, just click this button. By doing this, you'll be directed to a website where you can create a free account. Enter all of your personal information here, scroll down, then click this button to complete registration. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.